How many of you want to make quick and easy money? Please raise your hands. Wish you all good luck with that. These days, we are bombarded with a lot of ads alluring us to make quick and easy money through intraday trading, by playing online gamblings like rummy, and maybe an acquaintance may introduce you to a Ponzi scheme promising you a high interest. Right? Most of us may have gone through these things already. In all these things, the intent is to make quick and easy money, right? What we need to understand is it's very easy to lose money, but it's not easy to make money, right? If at all you were successful in making quick money, please know that, please remember that that money is not going to stay. You will also lose it quickly. Anything that comes easily is not going to stick with us. The another challenging part is making money and protecting it from these allurements is quite difficult. So let me focus on intraday trading, right? Even the founder of Zerodha, Nitin Kamath, says the only thing easy about trading is to begin trading, and it's not easy to make money. I'm just displaying one of his tweets. I would let you to read through it. Some time ago, I heard this statistics about intraday trading. Only 1% of traders are in profit. They make good profit. 9% of traders are at least successful in protecting their capital. They are not losing their money at least. They are only losing their time. And 90% of traders are losing their valuable time and money. They are blowing up their capital. Unfortunately, today many unsuccessful traders, they have turned into trainers so that they can allure you by training you to make quick money, quick and easy money. At least they can recover the lost money by charging you a fee. My humble advice is please do not fall for all this. The dangers of quick and easy money mindset. For a person who believes he or she can make quick and easy money, it's very difficult to talk that person out of it. The greatest danger is that person loses the ability to make money by working. The ability to act, that person loses the ability to act. That's very dangerous. That person also loses the ability to build skill sets, new skill sets. As it is difficult to talk that person out of that idea of quick and easy money, maybe somebody has given him some taste of quick and easy money. He will keep hunting for more such schemes and keep losing more money, probably even introducing his circle to such schemes, and ultimately that person will destroy his life. Okay, now what's the solution? Okay, there is no way to make easy and quick money, but to fight the inflation, there should be some way out, right? What I do is I listen to some level-headed, experienced people like Subramani sir, NRI Money Clinic, Pranjal Kamra. They have been quite level-headed people whom I have listened to so far. And I also consult with a professional certified financial advisor. I always ensure I take the premium advice. In case you choose to get introduced to my financial advisor, I have shared a Google form link in the description. Please fill it and I will introduce you to him. When it comes to money matters, always remember, don't follow free advices. Don't do it yourself. Okay? It's always better to take advice from a professional who is expert in that. If you are an expert, that's great. But if you are not, always take professional guidance. Thanks for listening to this. Wishing you all the very best. Bye bye.